Nigga playing with my wood, they have me ride. She say that pussy wet, so I'ma slide. She pull up and fuck the crew like she conniving. Hey, come on.
Hello you guys, this is Eggums here back with another video, and today, that is right, Cameron is going to be playing. She will be doing all commentary, so have fun with that. Go ahead and start the game, Cameron.
I'm not going to do all commentary. You're going to help me.
I'll try and help somewhat.
By the way, I'm going to fail miserably, so.
And by the way, I'll be right back.
Where are you guys? You're leaving me? Oh my god, I don't know what to talk about. This isn't my channel. I hate Damien so much with a passion. I don't know what I'm doing at all.
Okay.
I have
Had to flip my studio sign.
Oh my god. You don't even have a studio sign. I'm not gonna lie to your viewers.
I really don't have a studio sign.
What did you do? Just put Ace out there and make him guard?
Yes.
Why does this take so long to load? Did you turn the bots on? Or did you? Okay. Yeah. I've played Black Ops 2 so many times and not put the bots on, and it's been like, why is no one here?
Yeah, it's so annoying. Like,
because it never saves anything that you do. I don't know what to commentate about.
Just talk.
Hello, my name's Cameron.
Oh yeah. Press. Hold it.
No. Oh, God.
Okay.
Wrong thing. Press what?
Oh shit.
He's pressing things.
Yes. Choose class. She's running the Dingo and the Pharaoh, and you can look at her or setup and everything.
Damien, the game's
okay,
starting.
No.
I forgot how do I do the? I don't know how to do anything. I genuinely haven't played Black Ops since the last time I came over and played with you. That sounds wrong.
That did sound wrong.
We're cousins. We're cousins, I promise. Actually, no, I don't. Okay. Oh, by the way, I'm probably gonna scream a lot and make weird noises. Where are y'all going? Get your booties back over here. I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna.
She's just running the opposite direction of her team.
This is what I want to do. I like looking around the map.
What the hell?
What? Did you hear that?
Yeah, I'm gonna just jump.
Oh, I didn't see that. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna suck. Wait. Ew. That's a little gun. I don't like it.
Oh my gosh, Cameron.
What? It's little.
She picked certain things just because she liked the way they sound. And she almost picked a long barrel because she likes long.
I wasn't actually going to pick it. Okay. Okay.
So in the end, I may do a montage of her dying. Yeah,
this isn't even going to be a full video because it's just going to be boring as fuck. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh, God. I missed.
Oh,
I missed.
No,
Oh, yes, I did.
No,
I killed him.
Did you?
Yes, and then somebody else came in. No, I didn't kill him at all.
Okay.
I mean, I think I did. I don't know. Probably didn't.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Hey, jump in the water.
In the water?
Yeah, jump in the water. She's gonna drown.
I'm not gonna drown. Oh, God! I forgot you fly up like that. Let me out. I don't like the water. Actually, yeah, I do. Let me go under here.
This is why you...
I don't know where to go. I always forget there's a little mini map. What's up, bitches? Oh, no one's here. Ah! Yes, someone is! Okay. Oh, I died. Let me respawn. We're winning by 1 point. Damien, this was a bad decision. This is why I didn't want to play. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God, I failed.
Somebody's coming around the corner. Turn around.
There's a lot of people coming around the corner. Okay, hello. Oh, that's not a person. Never mind. I thought it was. I'm gonna go the opposite way of everyone. Oh, there's a skull. Great. Going this way now. Bye.
Oh, yeah, by the way, quick announcement. No more Doom videos. For a while, I...
Suck.
Doom is hard. No, that's not it.
Like my dick.
Okay. I messed up on one of the videos. And then I had to restart the game and shit, so no more Doom videos for a little bit. So hope you're not. I mean, I only did one. It was fun while it lasted.
No, it wasn't. Oh, God, I missed. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. That's what she said.
Shut the fuck up. That's what he said, if he missed.
That's what she said. She missed. I mean, obviously, because she has a dick, right?
Okay, yeah. I have a dick. Sup, my name is Cameron. I have a dick. little get to know me.
Okay, you got the pure.
Well, I don't want to use it now. I'm sucking.
Oh, okay.
Shut the fuck up. Not like that.
Go ahead, do your thing. Do your thing.
I had a burp.
You're not doing bad. See, I mean, they're going easy on you.
Well, I mean, if they're like the bots that you were playing against yesterday, then... Oh no, I died.
Barely missed.
Oh,
What?
God. Okay. I broke it. You're welcome. I think I've only said like twice. Aren't you proud? Well, 3 times now. Woo! Oh. I'm gonna try this on. I don't want to use the purifier right now. Woo!
Yeah, you got like
I
9
missed.
minutes left.
9 minutes.
Yeah, I put it on like 13 minutes.
You
That
put it on
way-
like 15 minutes.
No, I changed
Woo!
it. I set it back to 13. Also, the bots are on veteran.
I don't know what that means.
The viewers do.
Well,
So, considering they're on veteran, she's not doing bad.
Is veteran? Isn't that like the 3rd one?
That's the hardest one.
Oh. I just play recruit, to be honest. You gotta the Black Ops 2 bots seem to be better though.
Black Ops 3 bots suck.
Okay. Yeah, because I was gonna say like, this is like normal for me, to be honest. Okay. No, no.
Reload. Purifier. Come on, Cameron.
How do I get it? How do I?
Left button and right button at the same time.
What?
Left button, right button
These
at the same
two?
time. Yes.
Oh.
Okay. Now, be ready.
You know what you should get? You should get Soul Calibur. I'll give you my old Xbox so you can get Soul Calibur.
I would get Soul Calibur.
I'm gonna run the opposite
I would
way of
actually do a lot
everyone.
of Xbox 360 videos. I might start doing some retro videos here soon.
Hello. Oh
Great.
God. Oh God. I did it. I did the Bernie burn. Hashtag Bernie Sanders. Ignore my
Those are the
random.
weird noises.
Yeah, ignore my random screaming. Oh, we're losing. Oh, I still have 7 minutes. Oh my God, I still have 7 fucking minutes. This is the absolute worst. Who's shooting? You can handle them, right? Oh, you were coming from this way. Great. Oh, there's a person over here. Where'd you? Okay, you dead. You dead. Great English. I died
Yeah, I see that.
again. Wee.
I'm only okay, you guys. At 6:30, I'm gonna stop talking. So,
No.
yep, 6 minutes 30 seconds. That's in 10 seconds.
Did I?
All commentary is her from then on.
Fuck you,
5,
bitch.
4.
Oh my God, you don't have to
3,
count down. Shut the fuck up.
2,
You know what? I'm gonna be glad
1.
when you shut
Bye.
up. This is my channel now. Fuck Damien. I'm gonna take over this channel. I'm gonna hack his channel, and you all comment your goodbyes. Oh God, I'm dying. Okay, yep. Oh, does anyone know about that grandma who plays Skyrim? There's a legit channel where a grandma plays Skyrim, and it's the best. You should. I don't know what the name of it is, but you should look it up. I'll make sure Damien subscribes, and then you can just go to his subscribers. Oh my God, you suck. You said he wouldn't talk. Damien lied. He owes me $1. Oh, also, guys. So yesterday we did the Sharpie challenge, where you color on your hand with a Sharpie, and then you use the flash on your phone to take a picture of it. And it's supposed to shock you. And Damien didn't believe me when I did it, and it hurt like hell. He thought I was just acting, so I made him do it. And yeah, it works. And now he hates me. I also hate him. Also, where is everyone? There's someone. Die already, bitch. Damn. That was beautiful. Becky's gonna come in here and yell at me. I can fly through windows. Okay, why is there no one here? Hello. That's the dumbest looking thing I've ever seen. Imagine waking up to that in the morning. Have a fucking heart attack. Jeez. I thought this was a different map. There's another one with water.
There's a lot.
Okay, shut up. You said you weren't talking. Shut the fuck up.
Fine, bye.
Bye. He literally just sat back in bed. He wants y'all to think he's dramatic, but he's not. Well, I mean, he is. One time he stubbed his toe and he thought he broke his foot. I don't know if that's true or not, but it probably is, knowing him. Oh, look. Skill. Oh, God, not skills, not skills, not skills. Eh! Oh, hey, I got the thingy again. I forgot it. There we go. So I'm sorry I suck so much at this, guys, but it's probably funny for y'all. Wee. Oh, hey, there's a person, I think. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. Hello. Goodbye. I'm not here, what's up, hello. Warning to headphone users, by the way. We'll put a disclaimer in the in the description. In the bottom. Just in the bottom of the video, you know, the usual. Where you put everything. You put everything in the bottom. I mean, we're on the bottom bunk. Damien's a bottom. Alright, let's see. There's someone. Okay, yep, That, yep. Yup. Oh. Ooh, when I made that noise, my teeth, like, I don't know how to say that. They shivered. I don't fucking know. Oh, that worked. Great, 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 great. Why are my pants orange? That's the dumbest fucking color. Hello, guys. Look at me with my orange pants. You can see me. Kill me now. Oh my god. People. Can you fucking not? Alright. Oh, I got 2 minutes left. Die, bitch. Bye, bitch. We gonna lose. I'm sorry I suck, guys. You can laugh at me. You should leave a like if you think I suck. You should leave a like if you know that I suck. Dick. JK, I don't. JK, I'm not also gay. Alright. What was that noise? Oh my god. Maybe it just sounded like he slurped up a noodle. Like, the fuck? Ew. Oh, Did you see my arm glitch out like that? That was funny. Oh my god. Stop making slurping noises. Hello. Goodbye. Oh, goodbye. Where is that person that was shooting? Whatever. I don't even fucking care. We gonna lose anyway. No, there was somebody back there. Oh well. Someone else can handle it, right? Probably not. I can't handle it, clearly. Damien, this was a bad decision. You're gonna get so many unsubscribers because they think I'm gonna be on the channel. Oh, you are okay. Yep. Nailed it. I nailed the doodah. That sounds wrong. That bitch looked like Mario. The fuck? Did you see that little red hat? That little red outfit? Why is Mario in this? Where's Luigi? See, look, Mario. Eh! Oh. That's not what I do. Okay, I'm not gonna have time. Yes, I do. I still have a minute. That's a lot of time. I got all the time in the world. No, I don't. Eh! Oh, Oh, I just hit the mic. Sorry about that. Okay. Stop laughing, Damien. You're non-existent right now.
Down to this. Pick it up.
I don't see people. I see dead people. The phone's ringing. Damien left. I'm scared. I am alone and I am scared and I don't know what to do. I also suck at this game. Oh god. Alright, let's see. Let's not die. Okay, never mind. That, Yup, nailed that. Oh, wait, can you go up there? Nope, okay. Make your clock watch thing. Stop making noises. I have 25 seconds and I'm gonna die. I didn't die. Damien, I didn't die. Okay. I died that time.
Did you see the thing fall from the roof? What the fuck was that?
Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor.
I apologize for myself, guys.
Okay, now it's time to see the results.
Yeah, I sucked. I probably got like 50 deaths.
Failed in our objectives. Stand by
Okay.
250. I don't know. Maybe you didn't do that bad.
I did horrible.
They are on veteran.
I did horrible. Oh, I only got 25. I didn't do that
I
bad.
don't know. Not that bad.
Not that bad.
Well.
Bye.
Can confirm.
Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment what you think of Cameron's playing. Also, like if you think she sucks. I should get a lot of likes, by the way. Thanks for
Okay.
watching.
I hate you, Damien.
Bye, friends.
That guy's name is Dudley.